Good day. I can proceed with this rear wheel damper replacement. I got the new pieces here. And I got ABBA one up on the Hayabusa stand. And it works fantastic. This stand, I sure like it. It's a very stable setup. This specific fitting fits on this side like that. On the swing arm pivot assembly. Go on this side. The same idea. Another fitting that goes into this point on the pivot assembly. And yeah, I noticed this bike sure is heavy compared to my Panigale V2. So riding the V2 around and get on this bike and whoa, it's heavy. It's heavy, but it rails. Right. Okay, so I got that rear wheel off. Get those dampers replaced. And see that the bit of slack that was showing up between the sprocket holder and the hub should now be pretty much gone. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.